Paint Inside is a new feature in Fresco that allows you to use reference layers with brushes, not just your paint bucket tool. Let me show you how it works. Just set your line work for a reference layer like you normally would. Then turn on Paint Inside. You know it's on when it's blue. You can also adjust the color margin just like you do with the paint bucket tool. Works beautifully. Any closed area that I've done with my line work is now fair game for me to use brushes inside to paint. So this works just like reference layer fill. I can start painting and I don't have to worry about going outside the lines. I don't have to worry about using a really big brush. It's all going to stay contained. So this means you could use things like watercolors. You could use any of your textured brushes and really enormous brushes. This makes it super easy. But that's not the only thing you can do with Paint Inside. You can also work on the same layer where your line art is and do cool things like draw behind objects so long as they have a closed area. And you can also draw inside of the areas that you've already closed off. Like for example, with the tree, if I want to add some lines, I can just start inside the area of the tree and start drawing. And you'll notice that I get interrupted by that border on the left side right there. Pretty magical. In fact, if you want to paint inside the lines, you can even do that. Make sure you zoom in, start drawing somewhere inside the actual line itself, and now you can treat it like you're using your lock transparency for that layer. So you can see here, I can change the color of the tree. I could change the color of this kid's hair. It's that simple. This is a really powerful feature that people are going to find all kinds of creative ways to use. Give it a try.